I won't buy anything, but I will give a donation to some foundations. So there is this MFPA. So the artists, they don't have hands, so they paint with their mouth or their foot. So I will donate them some money. Then maybe I might donate a bit to LC. Then my friend's mother, she works in this organization where there are kids with special needs. So I'll donate some money over there, and the rest of it I'll keep to myself.
सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने लिए घर खरीदूंगी जो मेरे पास नहीं है। और मैं क्यों खरीदूंगी? क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी ने खुद के दम पे उन्होंने अपना एक घर, 2 घर बनाए थे और एक दुकान बनाया था, जो हम 2 बेटियों के पीछे दहेज में उन्होंने सब ख़त्म कर दिया। और आज के डेट में हम किराए के घर पे रहते हैं। तो मेरी बड़ा विश है, मतलब मेरे लाइफ के अंदर, कि मेरी मम्मी के रहते ही मैं घर बना लूँ और मेरी मम्मी वो चीज़ देखे, क्योंकि उनको अंदर से है कि मेरे बच्चों के पास घर नहीं है। अब मैंने बहुत कमाया और अभी कुछ नहीं है ऐसे करके। तो लॉटरी लगे तो सबसे पहले मैं घर खरीदूँगी जिसमें मेरी माँ को मैं दिखाऊँ कि हाँ आपका घर आ गया।
बंगला, क्योंकि फिर उसके बाद मैं उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी रख सकता हूँ। I wouldn't buy anything, I would have donated it somewhere.
Why?
Because according to me, climate change is a big problem. So then I would have donated anybody who is helping with the climate change.
Yes, one thing that I will buy. Yes, I will buy holidays for me. The traveling. I love traveling. I have a passion for traveling, and surely I will donate some.
So by nature I am more about securing future. So I think first thing that I will buy is might be lots of shares and mutual fund, because I come from a non-pension generation. So to secure my post-retirement life, I might buy more shares and mutual funds.
I would like to buy a big piece of land and grow lots of trees. I think that's required now. The amount of deforestation we are doing, I think somehow if I had lots of money to stop it and sort of do something to ward off the negative effect, then that is one thing that I would do.
तो सबसे पहले है ना, मुझे बहुत बड़ा फार्म लेना है, मतलब वहाँ पर जहाँ पर ट्रीज़ वगैरह भी ग्रो कर सके, थोड़ा फॉरेस्ट, थोड़ा फार्म, वहाँ पर मेरा हाउस, मड हाउस, हैम हाउस या ऐसे बना के मुझे वहाँ पर लर्निंग सेंटर खोलना है अपना, और अपना मतलब हम सब साथ में रहे उसमें, और बच्चे जैसे अभी से 6 आवर्स यहाँ पर अपना डेमोक्रेटिक लाइफ जी रहे, वैसे वो अपनी पूरी लाइफ जिए।
I will buy a cat because I love cats.
First thing I'll buy is the book, because whatever I earn, I spend most of it on books. And again, a book is a memory. So I would like to keep it, I would like to conserve it.
मैं एक घर खरीदूंगा जहाँ पे मेरे गांव में या किसी क्या कहते हैं ऐसे सॉलिट्यूड प्लेस रहेगा जहाँ पे शांति रहेगा। बकरियाँ मुर्गे बिर्गे मुझे पालने के, क्योंकि ये मेरा ड्रीम है, गाय भैंस वगैरह ये सब।
I will buy a house for me because I like big house and that's why I will buy a house.
So I mean, one of the goals is to actually extinguish the money. So maybe just buy a big piece of land and make it into a forest or something like that. So
I will buy something I want and मतलब it's needed and ऐसा जो चाहिए वो चीज़ लूँगी। I don't know क्या, but I'll take it. I would buy a new house because I don't have a room for myself.
हाउस। हाँ, सेफ्टी के लिए।
मैं सबसे पहले लैंड खरीदूंगा
और ख़रीदूँगा क्योंकि उसमें और वेजिटेबल्स ग्रो करूँगा क्योंकि बाहर के वेजिटेबल्स में बहुत केमिकल डालते हैं।
I will buy I'll buy a phone because I love those.
A difficult question, but yeah, I think I would rather invest it, or the first thing is probably I would start an institute who would start working towards green environment or fund the ones which are already doing that work.
First thing I'll buy is a mobile for my own self, and then because I can call my friends or invite them for a party.
Rather buying, I would like to roam around the world and to gain a new knowledge from that.
Mobile phone, because I want to open a shop of cookies, and if nobody buys me anything, then I will get bored, so I need to have a phone. I would buy a pet.
या फिर लैपटॉप खरीदूँगा क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसे काम भी कर सकते हैं लैपटॉप पे ऑनलाइन, इसीलिए।
Right now, a bigger house for myself.
I would buy gifts for my friends because I like them very much and I would like to see them happy.